I've damaged these Dragon Balls enough. No more. No more. What up, gangster? I really haven't felt the heat for a while because I've been constantly moving and lane splitting pretty heavy. I've been feeling pretty good. I just feel like it's gonna happen very soon. Very soon. As soon as I stop, because it is hotter than it was before. We just gotta keep moving. Like, this red light is gonna really F us in the butt because once I stop, Broly starts cooking the meat, aka the buns. The bakery is in a business as soon as... I'm sorry, sir. I know it's just one lane, but I have to, like, understand. I've stalled twice today like a douchebag. I need this, alright? I need this. Even one car makes a difference. Sadly, we didn't see that many riders out today. But I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that, man. My neck is dripping. Like, I am... As soon as I stop is when I understand how hot I really am. So I'm good that I know being next to the Mexican Ocean makes things easier because you get that cool breeze. But it's still not a windy day. So, like my whole body is just wet. Feels so weird. Feels so weird. I was about to stall again. I thought I saw a biker over there, so I was not paying attention. There you go. I gotta be constantly moving, can't slow down. Gotta be moving. Body is sweaty. You guys would love me right now, man. I'm all sweated, wetted up. You guys would love it! I've been talking a lot today, so the voice, like, every single time, mostly that I come home from riding, I lose my voice after almost every single ride. I think it's hilarious. I feel like my throat muscles would have been strong enough by now, but my throat is stronger for other reasons, and not for yelling and screaming. That's one reason I wish that I was a girl, so I could scream a lot. Because, you know, girls that can take their pitch, elevate their pitch to a higher level. Me with the Adam's apple can't do it as I could pull off my Batman, but I can't pull off my, what's that dude's name? Robin Thicke. Have I ever told you that? I've told you guys a story before, but I lost my Robin Thicke voice. That was epically sad when that happened. Epically sad. It was a pretty sad day to lose that voice, because I worked on it so much and I lost it, and it wasn't even like a build-up of me losing that falsetto. I just lost it right off the bat. Like, I one day just sang and boom, it gone bitch, we gone. And I didn't even have a chance to count money. Like T.I. orders, gone bitch, we gone. No count money, we gone. No count money, we gone. And that was one of the saddest moments of my life. One of mine, losing that falsetto. I love to take my voice to higher pitches. I love singing high, but they're gone. And I don't think I can train my voice. And it wasn't like I was in puberty or anything like that. It wasn't anything like that. Nah, I wasn't because when I was going through all that stuff, body-wise and stuff, I wasn't smashing any tricks. Like, even in high school, I'm gonna tell you guys this whole story, but even in high school, I've never had a girlfriend in high school. I was straight as an arrow in high school. And not the double meaning of that, but just strictly straight as an arrow in high school. Like, who I was in high school isn't who I'm not even 1%. I'm not even 0.0001% of that person. Not anymore. I got hit with that epiphany, the epilogue, whatever that E word is, and life changed like that. And I'll tell you guys about that one day. When I was back in Texas, I made a motovlog about it as I was riding to the gas station to get gas at night. But what happened was I ended up making that into, I'm using that, since it's so old, I don't want to use that content, so I'm using it in outtakes. So the story's there, it's just going to be all tattered up in shambles. But I think it's a pretty good story. And that story like motivates the hell out of me to continue doing what I do. Because life can change in a split second, man. Don't ever put yourself in a box. Don't ever assume that you're too old or too young to do anything. Or to change. You can change at any time. And you can change, make drastic changes overnight. In seconds, man, in seconds. All the air, the wind that's blowing on me is hot as hell, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. I am burning up. dodge that. I got up out of my seat. I was like, F that. I've damaged these Dragon Balls enough. No more. No more. This Prius can be a homie. I wanted to go in the right lane, but I didn't just take it even though the lane was open and waited because it saw me popping up in him. Look where you want to be. Ooh, it's not even fun to go fast because the wind is so hot and warm, man. I think this is the auto we saw in the beginning. It's nice though. Matte gray with bronze wheels. In the beginning of the ride, long ago in the beginning of the ride, we saw an auto race blazing it. It could be him, but he might be turning left or right or whatever. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's him. Ooh, that sounds beautiful. He decked it out pretty nice too. You can make an auto look ugly. You can make some Ferraris. You can make them look ugly. But a Lamborghini, I feel, is the only one that you really can't make look ugly. You can't make it look ugly. It's just impossible. Auto, man, if you want to clown downtown, let's do this. If you want to clown, let's do this. I can't even see these mirrors vibrate too much. They vibrate way too much.
Saying, why didn't you lane split to the front?
There's no shade up in the front. We got a tree right here blocking the sun a little bit, just a little bit. So we're gonna be using that. Auto race still there? Yeah, that's the same auto race we saw this morning. He gunned it in the beginning, and I am dripping. I'm so happy I made the decision to continue riding around and to make the decision to come home because I am dripping. Like, my head is steaming right now. Every time I talk, it is warm, beautiful smelling mouth air, breath. I couldn't think of the word breath. Warm air, warm breath, warm breathing out of my mouth. Warm air out of my mouth, and it was just too hot. It was beautiful. Now I think he clowned just like us. He really clowns, so he ain't gonna do it any longer. I am steaming. I am steaming. I feel like I have a fever right now, man. That doesn't help. Putting the visor up does not help. More warm air is coming in. And Broly, she's warming up too. Out of the 5 bars from low to high, she's on number 4. That's almost over. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna gun it just a little bit just to get some fresh air. Green trees, cookie crisps for breakfast. I had my hand off of the bars, the grips, and now I touch them and they're extremely hot. I'm telling you guys, man. Ooh, this heat wave no joke. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe only because you love me. Because I love you. And this is Riding Insane. And I'm out. Peace. Not too fast. Anyways, I'm out.